What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a phone number for your two-factor authentication on Coinbase. Once you're in the app guys, click the three lines on the upper left hand side, click account and settings at the top there, scroll down where you have the option that says phone numbers, tap on that, and from here you want to wait a couple seconds for it to load up this section here. It's normally very quick. Now once it loads up, you'll have the two-factor verification section selected by default. Scroll down and from here you will see that you're using a text message option. You want to click the little drop down arrow towards the right hand side, and here you'll see it asks you to add a backup number. Simple tap to add a backup number, you'll get a verification code, and you want to copy that verification code that you'll receive into your phone, and that's going to basically allow you to enter the new number. So go ahead and select the correct country code and enter the phone number, and you'll click on continue to proceed and add it. Once a new phone number has been added guys, you can simply go back and remove the old phone number from here. And that's going to take in effect and allow you to use the new phone number that you know added. And that's it.